So, hello guys.
Let me change my mic. So, hello guys, and today we're gonna be doing the tutorial on how to like get this little mouse thing right here that you see on my screen. My whole keyboard, like look, it syncs with my clicks. It syncs with my clicks, guys. So you can see every time I click, it does. So hopefully you find this tutorial useful, and Um, I will also be doing the like click sound tutorial. So when it goes like that, I'll teach you how to do that. But who's watching me? I got a feeling somebody's watching me, and I got that bad feeling. Um, okay. Hey. So I got this tutorial on how to do the little to do like the little black mouse right here that you can see in the keyboard. See how it syncs like this? I will be teaching you how to do that. I also might teach you how to do like the keyboard sounds like this. Every time I type, it does this. It's really satisfying, and you can do it for your ASMR videos too. Check out my YouTube channel, Infinity. Actually, I'll go ahead and bring it up. So this is how you spell my YouTube channel name, and I'll be going to it. Infinity YouTube. All I gotta do is do that, and Infinity YouTube. No, this is the wrong person. Somebody else, but no, this is not it. This is my account right here, and this is my channel right here. So it's where I do all this stuff, and I have my videos on here. So my recent video was like me doing the ASMR, and I'll go ahead and bring that up in my studio. Who did something? What? Oh, thank you for the follow, guys. Um, I, I guess I'll give you a shout out. Uh, thank you for following. I will. I might follow you back. But hey guys, and we are going to be showing you the tutorial on how to put your keyboard and mouse on the screen, and how to make like the sounds. Here's my recent video of me using it. So let's go ahead and view this real quick. Go to my YouTube studio, and here's my thumbnail, and here you go. It's kind of bad, but I think it can have potential. I have potential, but right now it's just me practicing. But you know how it sounds, so that's how the keyboard sounds. Check out my channel. Go subscribe to it, and I'll link it once again. Go to my channel, and my channel is Infinity, and with the blue Infinity symbol logo. And this is my recent video right here. Recent video, guys. Check that out. I know I said I'm a Gorilla Tag player. Actually, let me go ahead and change that. I'm gonna go ahead and customize it and change it to a Fortnite player too. Also, I am a Gorilla Tag player sometimes, but not all the way. I'm a Gorilla Tag player and a Fortnite player as well. Let's go right here. And boom, bada boom boom, bam, publish. So you guys can also see some of my new video, like plans, upcoming video plans, or upcoming stream plans. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you, but I'm getting off track, guys. I'm over here to show you how to do the tutorial. Now, here we go. So, first step, what you want to do is go over to your web, and I have to go to my history. So, it should be over here somewhere. So, we're gonna do the mouse on the keyboard on screen. So, that one is called that one's called no board master. So you want to type this no board and download OBS. Once you do that, want to click it. It should bring it to here. Go to download. It should take you to this GitHub page. Once you're in this GitHub page, you may be confused at first because look at all this stuff. You want to just click this and press the download. And here, I'm actually going to delete the file so I can show you how to do it step by step. So I'm going to go to my downloads and I'm going to actually, so once you, once I go here and delete this, my keyboard should go away. Once this is gone away, actually, I'm going to keep doing it over and over again until it deletes. And once I delete it, just want to trash it. Oh, it's open, so I gotta close it. So guys, you see this little thing right here? I will teach you how to do everything step by step, and want to cancel all the transfers. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out of this so I can show you what you do. And I'm gonna press delete. It's not open, bro. It's not open. How is it still open? Oh my god, I have a whole lot of applications open of the same thing. Do you see this? I don't even know how I did that. That's crazy, guys. I will teach you how to make the keyboard and mouse show up in the keyboard sound, in the mouse sound. Delete. It is still open somehow? How? I'm gonna trash it. I can't trash it. It's not even open, bro. So, anyways, what you would do is just go to here and open this, extract all. Once you extract all, you want to let it load. Once you're extracting all, you want to do, I'm gonna have to replace the files in destination, but you're gonna just press next or OK, and just make sure you press this one right here to download. Once you download that too, once you download that one too, then yours should be downloading. Once it's done, you're going to extract all. Going to extract all. Once you extract all, you want to press this no board, and you want to run it. Once you run, then you should go and get this file right here that says no board rewrite. Click it, and then you get this right here, and it should be green letters. When you click it at first, it will be blue, but all you want to do is left click, and load keyboard. Once you load keyboard, then you want to just click this one, this one right here. Don't click any of these other ones because those are like bad. I'm not saying you don't have to, but you can. But just do JOAOZYT. Then clean black, clean white. Once you do that, you should get this up, and you can choose all these other styles you want. I recommend doing the black one. This one looks good, but clean black, clean white is what I like. Then once you do that, you want to just close that out. And how I get it like the green screen now, and how I put it on my screen. You want to go to OBS Studios, Windows Capture, and you want to capture your no board v1.2.2. Once you got that, you want to add it to your screen, resize it. Left click, go to filters, chroma key. You want to add. So wait, you go ahead and do delete this. And yours should look like this at first, but then you just want to do chroma key, press OK. It should take that all out. It should take the key color that you want, and you can do that with like any green screens that you have too. Once you do that, you want to press close, and then boom, you got your mouse on the screen, and look how it syncs. And I will be giving a tutorial on how to do this like mouse sounds like this, like the mouse sounds like this and all that, and for like ASMR. So back over to our browser. So you want to go to search the web, and you want to go to Mega Keys. Once you go to Mega Keys, well, you could do that, but I don't recommend doing that. I recommend going to this dude. He needs a shout out. But here he is. He's over here. How to make your keyboard and mouse sound. You just
More
want to search
perks, more value. Join the Nordy Club at Nordstrom Rack. Get more deals on your favorite.
As soon as you do that, you want to pause it. Listen to keyboard he has also. To let you know that that's what he's using. Then you just want to search up Pix07. This right here. You just want to go here, go to channel, go to videos, scroll down until you see this right here. It was 3 years ago. I think he quit. I guess he just quit YouTube, but he does all these videos, Minecraft. But click this one with 3 years ago and with red background. It should be like this. You don't need a mic to make the sounds anyways. I'm just using it just to use it. But you want to just go over to Mega Keys. You just want to go up to somewhere. Okay. So back to the tutorial. You want to go over to his 007. Go to videos. Go all the way down to 3 years ago. How to make keyboard and mouse sound ASMR without a microphone. So you want to pause it as soon as that happens, and go into the description. You click this. Once you go over there, you want to download. Once you download that, you want to open your file at the top right here. should be Mega Apps Zip. If you open that, you're halfway done. Just click this, and then you should get this page pop up right here. Should get this pop up. Don't worry. Once you go over to the shop and go to the store, you want to get this one or this one free. And you can also buy some right here, by the way. Right, as you can see, I have 0. Those are like the coins, currency. They also have mouse sound pad, but you already will come with the mouse sound pad. Hey, listen, I got it for free. But you just do this one. It should tell you to log in or sign on. I sign on, press set, and then boom, you got your mouse sound. And those are all so just make sure you click this minus thing. Once you click minus, then it should save it. It should save it. But make sure you click the minus. Warning, guys. Make sure you do that. But this is the tutorial on how to do all of this stuff and everything. Okay, guys? Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and hopefully you learn from it, guys. Make sure that you do that. Make sure, guys. Make sure. If you don't, then you're cooked. Anyways, guys, this is the end of the video, and hope you enjoy. And right now, I'm coming with another Fortnite video, if it doesn't crash this time. But see you later, guys, and that's the tutorial. Also, you gotta keep this mouse thing open. If you press the minus, it closes out, so you have to keep it in the corner or something. And yeah, that's all I want to say. Why is it glitched like that? Okay. Anyway, that's it. Why is it glitched like that again? Yeah, guys. Bye.